Hey guys, it's Susan. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's well and healthy. So far so good over on this side. I want to show you something that I just made. These earrings are so sweet. I want to show you how to do this. I already made one side, so let me show you how to make the other side. So what we're going to need is our little bronze spike with our rhinestone. We're going to need our lever back and an 8mm labradorite. We're also going to need some wire. I'm using 22 gauge and this is a bronze color. I'm just going to straighten out my wire first, and then I'm going to measure out 5 inches. So I've got 5 inches measured out. Give it a snip here. I'm going to slip my labradorite on, bring it to the middle. I'm going to put the left side up, hanging onto it so it's tight against my bead. I'm going to bring the right side down. Using my round nose pliers, I'm going to come about to the center of my pliers. I'm going to come up, over, down, rotate, and bring my wire to the back. Then I'm going to roll towards me so my loop is pretty much sitting on top of my bead, like that. I'm going to do the other side the same way. Middle of my pliers, come up, over, down, rotate, and bring the wire to the back and roll towards me. So my loop is sitting on top of my gemstone. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring that wire up so I can add my charm, like that. Now I'm going to pinch down the loop, and I'm going to come around with my wire 2 times. Like that. I'm going to do the same for the top loop. Pinch it down. Come around twice. Now what I need to do is make sure that my charm is facing front. So I've got this front. Now this wire I need to bring down into the front of my bead. So then I can go ahead, take my wire and bring it around my loop. Then I'm going to use the bottom wire and I'm going to go up next to it and bring around the top loop. So then what I have to do is snip off these ends. And let me snip off this end. I'm going to go ahead and pinch that in so it doesn't stick out. And do the same with the bottom one. I'm going to go ahead and open up my earring wire by twisting it. Slip that on. Twist it back. There you have it, so pretty. I hope this video was helpful and useful to you, and you will give these earrings a try. They are so lovely. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.